Hey everybody, Tyler Howell, owner and GM of Whole Property Management here. Just talking to you about what our topic of the week is House Bill 25-1249. So this is a new bill that affects tenant landlord law. We're going to hit some of the highlights here that you need to know about as a Colorado rental property owner. Number one, this caps security deposits at a maximum of 1 month's rent. So if your rent is $2,000 a month, 2,000 is the max that you can charge as a security deposit. There was previous legislation, actually not that long ago, that capped it at 2 months. So as long as the parties agreed, the tenant and the landlord agreed that 2 months was okay. Some landlords did that kind of as a risk mitigation approach. If the tenant, didn't meet all of their qualification criteria, can't do that anymore. Maximum of 1 month's rent can be collected. You may recall a previous bill stated that the maximum additional deposit, or they call it a pet deposit that can be charged, is now capped at $300. And what this bill does not state is whether or not that $300 can or cannot be placed on top of the 1 month maximum. So on your $2,000 a month rental, is the maximum 2,000 or is it 2,300 with a pet present? Does not state that. We interpret that one way. You may interpret it another. Another thing you need to know about is that a tenant can request a walkthrough inspection prior to move out, a move out inspection where you either in person or it can be via electronic means like FaceTime or a Zoom call, do a walkthrough to identify things that you are going to deduct from their security deposit to address. And the bill does state that if you don't identify that item during the walkthrough, that you're not permitted to deduct from the security deposit once they move out. Installment payments allowed. Okay, security deposit. All right, this is a big one. So tenants have to be allowed to pay the security deposit over at least 6 months in equal installments. No,